Hello and welcome to another video segment on the BMC TrueSight Operation Management based on Events View. In this video, we are going to see how all the details of an event. This is Akshat Nimbalkar, lead product developer at BMC. So far we have seen the quick overview, events filters, which includes the basic and the advanced filter both. We have also seen how we can take the actions. We have seen how you can customize the event view based on the preferences what they have. Now in this video, we're going to see the details, how a user can see the details on it. Okay, so this is the TrueSight Operation Management server that I have logged in as an administrator. On event view, the event information is coming in the form of rows. In each row, you see the information like the severity, priority, time when it occurred, the message, and the state of an event. But beside that, the event can also have lot many other information as well, which user may want to see. Now there are two options to see the entire detail of an event. One is you can go to the page by the link on the occurred column itself. If you click on this occurred value, it will cross launch to the page called event details, and it will show you the entire detail of the selected event. Now the layout of the event detail page is you see the message in the top section over here and other important slots like the severity, priority, the state of an event, and if any user has been assigned to this event or not is listed over here in the form of icons. When it occurred, that time it also comes over here. You can also take the action on this event from here as well. Okay, now below here there are different tabs called the summary, internal objects, sources, logs and notes, PCA, application services and devices. Now based on the event class, what kind of event that you view in these tabs will change. You see the details are again grouped uh, in different parts. Like in case of the summary overview, there are four sections over here which contains the class, occur, details, messages. All these are the different slots of an event. Okay, so you see the basic summary of an event over here in the form of summary overview and the summary tracking. If you go to internals, you will see the internal information about the event, just like your internal ID for the event, what are the different collectors, the modification history, etc. Parameter. So this is how the entire event detail has been categorized properly so user can view them in the most readable format. Now one major advantage of the event detail is that you can customize this view by going to summary overview. There is an action menu over here to customize this event detail. You can come here, you can choose all the slots that you want to see. So each tab has um, predefined sections where user can hide and show the slot values as per their requirement. So let's say if I'm picking up few of the values from the different slots that I have, and now I'm going to save this. Okay, now if you see the event detail, it has added those new additional information what I have asked for. Like in case of the internal tracking, internal relationship, object monitors, I have added all these slots. I have added the source origin, and I can see that information is coming over here as well. So this is all about the event details. Thank you for watching.